Today, I'm going to show you how to copy campaigns and ad groups inside Google Ads, a simple but powerful technique that helps you scale your advertising strategy faster and with less effort. If you often reuse similar settings, audiences, or structures across multiple campaigns, learning this process will save you a lot of time and keep your workflow organized. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Google Ads website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button at the top and log in using your Google account. After you're signed in, you'll arrive on your main dashboard, which gives you a complete overview of your campaigns and performance. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't used it recently, since everything we need is located right here. Next, look at the left-hand menu and select the Campaigns tab. This will open a full list of all your active and paused campaigns. From here, choose the campaign you would like to copy. Selecting a campaign that has performed well or one that already has the structure you want makes the duplication process even more valuable. Once you've highlighted the campaign, click on Edit and then select Copy. Google Ads will instantly duplicate the entire campaign, allowing you to reuse the same settings without starting from scratch. You can later rename it, adjust budgets, or change targeting to fit your new goals. Now, let's do the same thing for ad groups. Within your selected campaign, click on the Ad Groups tab. Here you'll see the list of ad groups organized under that specific campaign. Choose the ad group you want to copy. Ideally, one that contains proven keywords, ads, or targeting setups. Just like before, click Edit and choose Copy. This creates an identical version of the ad group, which you can then adjust and apply wherever you need it. Copying campaigns and ad groups is one of the easiest ways to streamline your workflow, especially when you're managing multiple products, locations, or audiences. Instead of rebuilding everything manually, you can start with an existing framework that already works and make small tweaks to fit your new objectives. It's a smart, efficient habit that helps maintain consistency across your ads while saving time and reducing errors. And that's all it takes to copy campaigns and ad groups inside Google Ads. With just a few clicks, you can scale your advertising efforts with confidence and keep improving your results. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials whenever you're ready to take your Google Ads skills even further.